I'm talking about 138 process.
Yeah, that's right. What is the process?
The first opportunity is given to settle the matter. If the matter is not settled at first opportunity and you settle it after the final order is pronounced, then you have to pay some extra amount, say 10% or something there. Because I don't practice NI Act. But these are there are few add-ons compel the litigants to settle the matter with earliest possible opportunity.
No, really. Let me see. Let me see how it works out. So at least before these amendments, what was happening? Magistrate, District Court, High Court, 136. In fact, one matter, quite often what happens is where the big amounts are involved, a check of, let us say, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, the drawer of the check would happily go on litigating till the Supreme Court. Last minute, if he realizes this judge is not very merciful judge, will not interfere in his favor, he'll say, my lord, I'll pay the money, my lord, your lordship, my kindly.
After that long battle.
Kindly say prosecution should be dropped. So in one case, I said, yes, I'll drop the prosecution. I'll try to use my 142 power. I said this thing. But then you have wasted so much of judicial time. Compensate it. Pay 10% of the amount due to the legal service authority so that money can be used for some deserving client. So you have to find some way of it. First of all, this many appeals are not required. Why should a 138 case be taken up 136, Article 136, special petition? Is it required? This many levels of scrutiny are they really required? I am taking one topic.
And civil litigation has really been
one of the reasons for the delay in the justice delivery process is the availability of the number of appeals and revisions in the Indian system. Do we really need so many appeals and so many days of appellate scrutiny? It's a serious question which requires a debate. Sometime back, I received a, in a way, interesting but a sad message. I just read it out to you. I saved it. In 2000, terrorists attacked the 7th Raj Rif unit stationed within the Red Fort premises, resulting in the deaths of 3 soldiers. Muhammad Arif, the main culprit, was arrested by the Delhi police 4 days later. Now see the beauty of Indian justice system. The trial court took 5 years to sentence him to death in 2005. Delhi High Court took another 2 years to confirm the trial court's order in 2007, Refer trials. Thereafter, the Supreme Court took 4 more years to maintain the same order, 2011, and another year to reject the review petition, 2012. Then 2 more years to reject the curative petition, 2014. In September 14, a constitution bench of the Supreme Court ruled that in all cases in which death sentence was awarded by the High Court, such matter should be listed before a bench of 3 judges. Thus, Arif once again became eligible for a rehearing of the review petition, which he filed. Another 8 years later, the Supreme Court rejected his review petition in 22. Arif filed a mercy petition, which was rejected today by the President. 24 years after killing 3 of our soldiers and waging war against India, Arif is still alive and living on taxpayers' money. This was a message sent by somebody known to me, a friend of mine, and it was widely in circulation those days. He sent it to me. I sent a reply saying that wrong number, I was a dissenting judge in Arif's case. When I'm not finding, and obviously it's the law declared by the court, I didn't find any justification for a fresh hearing. I said it because under the text of the Constitution, there is no right of appeal even in a death penalty matter. It's only 136. Only when it's reversing judgment, when the trial court acquits and the High Court reverses and confirms and awards death penalty, then there is a right of appeal under the text of the Constitution. Otherwise, there is no right of appeal. It's only a special leave. And then give so many rounds of hearing. But you must draw somewhere. These are all serious matters which require debate. Of course, debated we did. The majority members did not agree with me. That's a different matter. These are all factors which require a larger debate.
Harassal presents May It Please My Lords in association with Celestial Radiance, the Chosen One, powered by Vedic Legal and Company.